papers at an instant. So I guess with that note, I'll start. So already mentioned, the topic is online tools to accelerate your research. Could you let me know if the screen is moving, Dr. Samuel? Doctor, is the screen is moving? Are we
Yes.
on the second slide? Yeah, great, super. Thank you so much. So, as I already mentioned, where to start? I mean, for this particular session we are dealing with today, it begin after defining your research area. Because ever since I started my bachelor's degree, I was very much into mythology. I was very much into film studies. I was too much into performance studies and all that, which made me come up with a topic that deals with mythology, performance studies, and film studies. So currently, I am working on an area that is an interdisciplinary for all the three. So, this is a humble request to everyone, particularly those who are in the primary period of their research journey. Once you have chosen the topic of field you're interested in, it is high time that you explore what already exists in that space. I'm not talking about research gap here, but it is very important to know what are the things that are already told. Maybe those are things that would align with your research. Those are things that would talk against the area that I mean, the gap that you're going to propose. So, clarifying your core research question is always a dilemma for people, especially even when I was in my primary period of my PhD. It was such a hideous task for me that what has already been said and what are the gaps or unexplored angles that are already existing to find that out. We often tend to read random books. We often tend to read books that maybe our guides suggest us. We would sometimes just skim around all the resources we can get through WhatsApp groups or in Google Scholar or whichever be the available platform. But how we can navigate it in such a way that all the researches or all the papers that you have or are in need of reading to be aligned with your area is that you should be very focused about what to read and what not to read. Definitely, what to read and what not to read is a very big question. It is a very debatable question, but still, the very idea of what to read and having a proper smart way to ace through what to read is what I'm going to discuss today. I hope you understand. Also, this will help us in avoiding random searching because ultimately, as research scholars, we are supposed to have an idea about most of the things. I wouldn't say everything, but yeah, most of the things, most of the time. But jumping in without a plan leads to an absolute waste of time, and a structured approach helps you stay focused. So, these tools, these online tools which I'm going to discuss today will help you in mapping existing literature, track key authors and studies, identify trending or underexplored topics. Also, it is very important to start right because it will save a lot of time later. All right. So, my motto, which I work for, even with PhD or whatever that comes in my life, is to work smart but not hard. So, the literature review, which is the very backbone of research. So, before you write your own, you need to read many. But how do you find the best ones quickly? As I already mentioned, finding the best one and the right one for your research is a smart way to start your research because it wouldn't make us into such a hardship that we are always reading but nothing is going along. So through these tools, I'm trying to help you with this question. So smart tools will help you with simplifying the process by searching topic or keyword or filter by publication year, relevant citation, and also we will see how we can access the peer-reviewed literature reviews in seconds, that too outside the paywall. Okay, these are already things that I already mentioned. I'm not just dragging along. Okay, so today I am only discussing those tools which has immensely helped me in my journey. I'm not looking for anything outside. I'm only explaining those tools which have helped me in person. So those are very limited but have been of great use for me. All right. And with these tools, we will understand what has been already said, which I already mentioned, and will give you an overview report, will include citations of original paper, then will help you quickly identify major works in your area, allow you to choose key papers to read in full, and of course, save time and avoid reading scattered or unrelated sources. So digging deeper within literature-related paper, I will maybe rather than all this slides, I will just dive into some hands-on experience. Like I'll dive how you can do it. Okay. So first of all, just a second. First of all, let me show you the primary tool that I use during my journey. Just a moment. Let me just share you the screen there. I just give me a second. Can you see my screen? I hope you can right now. Great. I hope you can right now, right? You can see my screen, right?
No, not yet. It seems yes, now it's coming up.
Great.
Yes.
So this is my life when it comes to finding the literature review. This is my lifesaver, SciSpace. This is not a lot, not at all a promotion. I'm not getting any penny from this, but this is ultimate. This is the ultimate tool which I use, which has immensely helped me, my friends, and everybody in my university, and every people that I know. I always suggest this. So this I have already shared a query to here. So once you start with SciSpace, which is scispace.com, I hope you can see that. If you have your phone with you, please do search for SciSpace. All right. Once you get into this page, scispace.com, for example, I am doing a paper on the portrayal of women in Bollywood, how the portrayal of women in Bollywood has evolved over years. So that is my search area, and that is what I want to know. That is an area that I want to know what all literature have already been discussed on that particular topic. And I already have a page saved for that. So I give it like for the first the papers, how does the portrayal of women in Bollywood has evolved over years. So what they do is they will take answer for this particular question from the top 5 papers, as you can see, and then they will provide us a very concise summary of what we have asked. I hope that makes sense. I hope the screen is clear, and I hope you're clear as well. All right. So once you start with the page of SciSpace, you can clearly see that they have took all the summaries from the first or the best 5 papers they can find in this particular area. Once you get it, as you dive through this particular website, as you go down, you can see the papers they have used for the references here. You see the first one, right? Gender bias, social bias, and representation, 70 years of Bollywood, which actually is one of the prominent papers that I have came along during the search of this particular topic. So this is a paper which I think is very much useful for my research. And as you can see in the next column of insights, they have provided an idea of what exactly been told in this particular paper, which absolutely save a lot of your time, which will help you in understanding if the paper is actually useful for you or not. Am I clear? Can I have some reaction? I don't see you people having any kind of reaction. I hope you understand, right? Yes, we can hear you and following how you're describing how to use that. Great. So yes, once you find this paper, It is not necessary that all the time this paper will be available as an open resource. For example, this one is provided as an open resource now. The second one, Evolution of Women, is closed. Within this tool itself, you can request a PDF for this particular paper directly to the author. And they can share it to you if you have logged into the SciSpace. You need not pay any money for logging into SciSpace. Am I clear? I'm so sorry. I have the habit of teaching and I always tend to ask if I'm clear like I do with students. Okay. So, as you can see, the first one was open. The second one is not open. So, when it comes to the paper which you want to download, for example, this it wasn't open, okay? Download this paper, for which you can go to research. Can you all please just search for researchrabbitapp.com? App. Researchrabbitapp.com. Okay? Once you get into this Research Rabbit page, you can see that you can add new collection here. And let me add film. Okay? All right. So once I added the new collection called film, I will get a page which is more, just a second. Hello? Hello? You can click on add paper and then you can copy paste. Once you've pasted, you can click search and they will give the paper with which you have initiated the search. And you have to click on add to collection. I hope it's clear so far. Once you click add to collection, you can see that like this. Can you see my screen? Can you see this properly? Can you see this?
We can see
How the paper has came to this session of the.
we can see it. It's your network is lagging at the point. So we are following you right now on Start Rabbit app. So you can go ahead.
Dr. Samuel, I'm sorry, the voice is not clear. If there is an issue, could you?
Can you hear me
All
now?
right, so let me go ahead with this. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Thank you.
All right, so once you can see it here, you can click on it, and there you have the abstract of the page. You can see that, right?
You are muted. Gori, you are muted. Gori, can you check? Hello. Gori, can you hear me? You are muted now. Can you check?
You are unmuted, everyone, and I'm also unmuted. Okay, now I hope you can hear me.
All right. So the last thing we
Great.
had, let's take it back a little. Last thing we had was
All
when
right.
we came back to Research Rabbit, and then you were trying to explain how we can add paper. So you can pick it up from there.
Is someone talking there, or is it to me, or? Okay, let me go ahead. So once you get the abstract, you can see on the side that you will have to explore the papers which is based on similar works. Once you click on that, just a second, some connection error is happening. Yeah. Once you click on similar work, you will see a lot of, here it is given as 106. You will see a lot of papers that have discussed the same topic. Not something that has the same word or anything, but almost a similar topic from which we can take a lot of references. I hope you can see this. All right. So here you can see a lot of such references, all the papers that are connected to this particular film or whatever the question we have asked to Research Rabbit or whatever the paper we have added to Research Rabbit. As you can see, they have provided more than 100 similar works within here. Reading that 100 paper itself will equip you with a great idea of what exactly you're going to do. And also, as you can see, they themselves check for the PDF there. Even if it is not available, just a second. All right. So as you can see, getting on these characters in UK film and television industries. You can see this particular abstract, right? Which is related to be added to this Research Rabbit. I hope you online. Anyone? I'm just trying to make it so thorough that it gives you. Hello? All right. I hope it is clear now. If you have any doubts, just let me know. Is it clear so far? See, the first one which they suggested here, the getting in UK film and television industries. And I clicked for it and I could see that this particular paper has provided, Research Rabbit has provided us with the abstract of this particular paper. And also the PDF is also available. I hope that makes sense. If you want, you can download it right from here. Just a second. Yeah. You can see it right here. So you can easily access a paper which is connected to your area of research. This actually is a lifesaver for me, and of course will be for many scholars who are working on papers and their theses. Is that clear so far? And within that itself, we can keep on going by searching for the similar works. And for that paper, we have another similar set of works. And once I click for one, then I can explore those which are similar to the paper that I chose. See? And it has provided me with 1,207 papers. You see that, right? Not just that, you can also get all the references that they have provided all the references which the paper which we uploaded use. Let it roll for a minute. See? So these are the references that they have used for making the paper which we have selected. See our references. And some paper might not have the PDF available, but some might have the PDF available, which we will have to check for sure. Do you have any doubt about this? Because we are moving on to downloading. Like, it's a very simple step which we are going to discuss next, which is to download certain of these papers. See how they have the PDF of the third one. You need not go anywhere to download it. You see that, right? Can I have some reaction? Everybody is looking at me like this. Is it that because you can't see me? Should I also turn my video along with the presentation screen? Because I see you simply staring on the screen. Everyone sitting in the front. Do you have any doubts? At least give me just move your heads at least, no? Okay, great. So, do you have any doubts on this particular area? Like the one we discussed on Research Rabbit? Okay, thank you so much for replying through the chat. Okay, now the question is how we can download those papers. For example, I have this paper. Okay, let me just introduce you one more. I won't drag it a lot, okay? Let me just introduce. And here also, just like in, I'm so sorry, my network connection is unstable and I'm not able to go back. Here also, just like, yeah, here also, just like how the size space is showing in the front page, like how we can give the question, consensus also allow us to provide a question for which they provide a very concise answer. And along with that, they have also provided us with papers that are associated with it or the papers from which they actually took the answer. And the first one here is Free Thinking Women in Cinema, the Changing Narrative Structure in Bollywood. Imagine that I just cannot simply download it directly from anywhere, for which I am now copying this. This is another place that I'm so grateful for in my PhD journey, which is Sci-Hub board. It is actually a board in Telegram, and don't worry, it is directly affiliated to Sci-Hub. It is not any board with any threat or any malfunction. You can go to Sci-Hub board. If you want, I can share the link Sci-Hub board with Dr. Samuel, from whom you can actually get it later. Okay. So here is just let me just share this I have. All right, so here is the board that I was telling you about, which is Sci-Hub board in Telegram. And we already got one paper for us, right? We already chose one paper which is useful for our journey. And I'm simply copying I mean, I'm simply pasting the title of the page which I copied and just clicking enter. And there we are. They have provided us with a downloadable version of paper which we wanted to read, which we got from Research Rabbit and Consensus. Is it clear? Hello. Great. So these three, I would say, no, maybe four, I would say, are the major tools which have helped me a lot in my PhD journey. So if you have any question, you can ask about it. I'm just stretching out the meeting. Just let me know if you have any question. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Maybe it is raining here and maybe that is why the network is not stable. I'm very sorry for that. Anybody got any question? Anyone? Online? Also, something I would suggest is you can also try Perplexity AI. Okay, you want boat again. Sure, I'll do. So as you can see on my screen, that Sci-Hub is a boat, which is you might be knowing about Sci-Hub online, the website Sci-Hub, right? From where we can download papers, but there we will have to request request in general for a paper, and then somebody will have to share it to us. But it's Sci-Hub boat, and I will just share the link of this Sci-Hub boat with Dr. Samuel, from whom you can actually get it later. But this Sci-Hub boat, you simply copy. You have already copied the paper title, no? You just paste it, click on enter. I'm so sorry, my network is not stable. Yeah. And once we enter, you can see that they have provided us with the downloadable version of the paper of which the title we have given them. You can click open. See? Just a second. You want me to go over the last stage, right? Just a second. Okay, let me just share you the screen rather than. As you can see here, you have the page, like the downloaded paper, which we read as suggestion from different of these tools. You want me to explain again on this last stage? Yeah, I'll do that again. Once we get the paper title, for example, we have already checked for a paper here, right? We searched in Consensus app. There we added the question, how does the representation of women change in contemporary Bollywood movies? And for that, they have provided us a very concise answer from a list of papers. You see that here, right? And I need to read the first paper, Rethinking Women in Cinema, Changing Narrative Structure in Bollywood. But I don't have the paper and I don't want to go searching for that anywhere else. Now I will just copy. Then I'll go to the sideboard, paste it there. And there I have my paper. Is that clear to you now? Adernola, if I'm not wrong. I'm so sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Is that clear? Great. Any more doubts? Can I see the audience? Because I can't see anybody. I can only see the logo. At least seeing them would make me feel like somebody is listening. I hope it is clear, right? So as I already mentioned, my primary focus was to, yes, I have on Telegram. Yes, yes, I have this on Telegram. I will share that. Let me check if I can get the link of it now. I actually don't know how to get the link, but maybe you can try this on your Telegram. I have boat. SCIHUBOT. Let me know once you try it. Is it clear? There. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know it could be very, bad always asking like you all like a student, like if it is clear or not and all those things. I just want to make sure that what I say has some use for you. It might sound like I'm teaching kids, but I'm so sorry, I can't help it. That is my habit of asking. All right, any more doubts? Also, yes, thank you so much. And another thing, it is not actually I wouldn't say a tool, but it is more of an AI. You might know about Perplexity AI, right? Perplexity AI, which is also very great use, which I don't use it much, but yeah, it has helped me immensely with finding all this literature research and all those stuff. Because as you can see, this is a Perplexity Pro version. If you want, I actually have this would some maybe sound like a promotion, but I actually have this referral, which if I send it to you, you will get around 1 month of Pro Perplexity. If you want, you just let Dr. Samuel know. If at all you're interested, just let me know. I will send you the link. Once you go through that link and join Perplexity, you will get the Pro version of it for free. And here also, as you can see, I have provided the very same question, and they have provided me with the set of, this is the answer that they gave me. So they have provided me with a very detailed answer here. And when you click on sources, you will find the sources from which they took the answer, like the reference point of their answer. It includes web pages, it includes YouTube videos, it includes papers like this. See, portrayal of women in Bollywood, a focus group approach. Blog post, IJ fans, like all these prestigious journals, film companions, even see journal article, I mean the newspaper article of Times of India. So this is also really useful if you are planning to write a paper on some topics, so that you can get all these resources from many places which are not limited to the paper. I mean the published journal articles. Are you guys following me?
Yes.
Great. So is there anything that I need to clarify you anymore with, because it's almost to the end of the session, because I wasn't planning to give you so much, but I was planning to give you something very precise which actually makes sense and which will help you in the long run. And I wanted to make sure that you actually get it. So I planned it in such a way that whatever I'm saying, the content is very minimum, but I won't explain it in detail. So is there anything more that I can help you with all that I have shared so far? Can you actually follow me? Am I going too fast? I'm trying to slow down a lot because I always get the complaint that I'm too fast. Not a complaint, but yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, so we can hear you actually. We can hear you. Go ahead. You may need to do a recap. Actually, we were lost when we were supposed to get when you explain how to use the Telegram bot. You promised to send me the link. You are here to send the link. So we want to see the link of the Telegram bot so that we can follow you. We've seen,
Yeah,
sorry, let me
I will
take,
send.
okay, so when you were also explaining how to use consensus together with the Telegram bots, we were lost, so we couldn't hear you properly. If you could explain that again, thank you.
Which one? Consensus?
Consensus and the Telegram bot.
Okay. So, uh, consensus, let me just share you the screen. I'm so glad that you guys are following. So, yeah. I hope you can see my screen, right?
The screen is coming up.
Dr. Samuel, could you just,
The
yeah,
screen is
great.
coming up.
So, as you can see, this is the app which I said consensus. Let me just, okay. This is the app which I told you about, Consensus AI for research papers. So here you can ask them, which I already did, is how does the representation of women change in contemporary Bollywood movies? Once you type it, you can hit search and it will take you to this page. I'm not clicking the search because it might keep on loading, so I just saved it. So you will go to this particular page where they have given a very brief idea about the topic which we have asked them. And as we go down, you can see the results. So these all are the papers which we can use and they have used in order to provide us with the topic. You see that?
We can see that.
Yeah. So within the first one, as you can see, Rethinking Women in Cinema, the changing narrative structure in Bollywood. Suppose you need to read that particular paper. You just copy it, copy the title. No need of DOI, nothing. Just copy the title. Then we go to Telegram. Sci-Hub is the bot name. You can simply type what is shown here. Let me just give it to you in the chat box. Just a second. I shared you the link for the bot. The Perplexity AI is not free. Generally, it is not free. But if you want, I can share you a link so that you will get at least 1 month free. Actually, it is a referral program because I got from them. There is no use for me with that. Don't worry. But you can access it. It is not at all a promotion. Not at all a promotion. Trust me, it is not a promotion. Could you guys take the Telegram bot? You see that there?
You've not sent the
Yeah, I
link.
will share you the link for one.
Can
I
you
will
share
share
the
you
link?
the link for 1 month free. I will share it with Dr. Samuel because it is a referral link. I'm not sure if I can publicly post it in the chat, if that is possible, Dr. Samuel.
Okay, can you share with me? I'm going to share it with everyone.
Yeah. I'll share it with you.
So can you
And
share
it will be,
the link to the Telegram bot right now?
yeah, I just did now.
Okay, we are here to
HTTPS
see. We're here to
in the
see.
chat box.
You can just send it to me.
Yeah, let me just 1 second. Just a second. Samuel, am I audible now. I understand that you're struggling to hear me in the physical class. I'm so sorry. It is the weather that is causing all the trouble. So I want you to focus particularly on the screen so that I'll be mentioning everything in detail. If you have any doubts, please put it in the chat box. I will explain it in detail. Did you guys try this iHub board?
I got the link now, so I'm going to share it. So you can go ahead now.
Okay. So once you go to the Sci-Hub board, you can simply, you need not do anything else, but you can simply paste the name. Sorry, I pasted the Sci-Hub link. Okay, for example, we are looking for this particular paper. You just paste the name of the, the title of the paper you're looking for. Then click enter. And they will provide you with the downloadable version of the paper. You can simply click open with Acrobat. And here you have your paper. Is it clear now? Any more doubts?
Okay, I think that's fine. So you can try to round off, go to the remaining parts of your slides now.
Sorry?
I mean, you can go to the remaining parts of your slides now. Did you get that?
I was just explaining you regarding like what all things you will get from all these tools which which I actually did explain. So there's nothing much in my slides anymore, like all this, why is it important and how is it important and what to do are all the things we have discussed so far.
Okay, that's
But now sorry?
that's great. So can we go to the question and answer session now?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, everyone. So
I'm so sorry to interrupt you, Dr. Samuel. If anybody has any query, you can feel free to reach me out on my LinkedIn page. You can see my LinkedIn profile down, write my name.
okay, that's fine. I think we've seen that. So let's take some questions now.
Sure.
Let's take some questions now. So those that are connected online, please, if you have questions, kindly ask your question now. You can type in the chat box. So can you answer the question? What about using the SciHub website? Somebody is asking.
Yes, I have website is equally useful, but the thing is I don't prefer it much because here it is more easier. Like when it comes to Sci-Hub website, I can show you just a second.
You are not sharing your screen, so we can't see your screen. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'm trying to load it because of the network instability. It is loading for a long time. Let me just share you my screen. So yeah, in Sci-Hub website also you can do the same thing, but it would require an extra step at times when the paper that you have asked is not there. Wait, let me just show you. Then you just type the name, you just click on open, and you can get the same thing there. But at times, if it exceeds the number of, I have been through that situation, because if it exceeds the number of paper you can ask per day, they will then ask you to log in and do this, and I rather prefer the board to this particular, I mean, the website. Which one is better, Perplexity or OpenAI? I actually like Perplexity. Like it's a very personal choice because Perplexity offers like sources from genuine sources, like from genuine references they give. But when it comes to OpenAI, most of the time, even when we ask them for resources, like the references of the summary of what they have given or the answers they have given, they would always cook up new things which does not exist even. So I personally prefer Perplexity because they don't cook up any paper names or website names. You can trust Perplexity for that matter. So far, yes. Is there a free site for plagiarism check? I was searching for it for a long time. I couldn't find any. If anybody knows, let me know.
Okay, it appears there's a network challenge from your end. Someone is asking a question. Is there a free site for plagiarism check? Can you check that? Can you check that
Which
question?
one?
Free site for plagiarism. Plagiarism.
Yeah, that is the one I answered right now. Is there a free site for plagiarism check? Actually, there are free sites, but those are not, I don't know how far we can believe them. Because when it is free, because I have heard the saying, if it is free, then you are the product. What if they just copy your ID and do things like that? So I don't prefer any plagiarism free checkers. I would rather suggest you to go with some, most of the universities will have plagiarism checkers. So better connect with your university for that matter. Like you can just get it on Turnitin, or there are people whom I know who provide a plagiarism checking with Turnitin. If we pay them some amount for per paper, like they charge it like per paper this much of amount. But I don't think that everyone can access it. So it's better to have some authentic sites or something. So far, I don't know about any free sites, and I don't think there is actually any free site exist. Any more questions?
Okay, I think that's all. Do we have more questions?
Any more questions from the audience? Like those are physically present there. I can't see them. Could you just turn the camera on? Have a question?
All right.
Okay.
Colleagues,
Sorry. Any more questions? I'm happy to answer.
thank you so much for spending time. I understand that we have network challenges from your end and from our end.
I'm so sorry, I can't hear you.
I understand we have recorded the session, and I want to request that you share your slides with us, including the tools you have shared. We are limited by time. She has quite a number of online tools she would love to share with us.
Hello.
be used there. What today?
How can you handle papers that cannot be downloaded from site
Okay.
Telegram bot? Okay, that is a very serious question. Most of the time, we'll have to ask people, and that exactly is what my community, like the one maybe he would have told in the introduction, like citation of mine would have told you. Like I have this Wordsmith academic fraternity where we have more than 15,000 research scholars from all over the world join for each of the subject have each groups. Like for example, if you are working on disability studies, you have one group dedicated for disability studies. If you are working on narratives like film narratives, you have one dedicated for that. So mostly what I have seen and me myself do is we would request for that in the group. Somewhere might have already downloaded that, or maybe someone from our own community would have the access for the premium version, or they already have subscribed to many of these papers, so they will be sharing it. So other than that, downloading this paper which couldn't be downloaded through this boards and site, it is actually a very big question.
All right, thank you so much for that. All right, then we have got to college, where you also share obviously. Get access to it and also share with us. Gary, I must sincerely appreciate you for the session you had with us today. I wanted to make an extensive compilation of some of the online tools so that you update your slides. When you update your slide, then you can share with me, and then I can share with our community. Today we have our students, graduating students, also joined us. I want to appreciate everyone who have joined online. The Vice Chancellor was with us a while ago. The registrar also came. We have directors, director of academic planning, deans of faculties here, heads of department, coordinators of unit, and distinguished members of staff of Thomas Adewumi University joining us today. We must say a big thank you to you for spending time to join us, and I want to appreciate everyone who have participated in today's session. We have many challenges. I want to apologize for that from our end and then it from our own end. But let me reiterate that I am not something personally. I've never heard about science space before. I've never had. Has anyone heard about science space before now? Okay, some few persons. I have not heard about science space before. I've heard about perplexity. I've never heard about consensus. I've not also heard about research management. And I think it's going to make citation very, very easy and faster. So I think we learned something, and it's very good one that we have learned today. I want us to look forward to the next edition. And this is God coming up next month in May. So let me say thank you again to our facilitator, and then the link we share is slides, the recording we share with us on the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very good evening. So thank you, Gori. We want to appreciate you. We are going to send your certificate of presentation to you. I'll also be reaching out to you. We appreciate everyone who have joined virtually today. Thank you so much and have a very nice day. Bye.
Great day, everyone. Bye.